Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best makeup toys is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative gifts you can give to a young aspiring artist, offering a safe and fun way to explore creativity and self-expression through the world of cosmetics without any of the mess or real product usage, allowing them to experiment with colors, styles, and looks in a playful environment that encourages confidence and imaginative play. Number 5. Kids Unicorn Makeup Kit with Pink Purse. Looking for the perfect gift that brings joy and sparks imagination? This delightful makeup set is designed to create endless smiles and fun for your little one. Watch as she applies colors lightly for a charming look. It's designed to go on smoothly and is completely washable with just water, making cleanup a breeze. You can have peace of mind knowing this kit is made from safe, non-toxic, and high-quality ingredients. It meets all safety standards, perfect for delicate skin. This set provides everything she needs to explore her creativity. It encourages pretend play and helps her discover her own unique style. Packaged in a beautiful pink unicorn purse with glitter details, this set is truly enchanting. It's designed to delight and inspire her inner diva. Make her birthday, Easter, or any occasion extra special. This makeup kit is the perfect way to keep her entertained and encourage her imaginative play. What we like? This set comes with a charming unicorn purse, making it instantly appealing to young girls. It's washable and non-toxic, offering peace of mind for parents. If your little one loves unicorns and you're looking for a safe, easy-to-clean makeup set for imaginative play, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The makeup itself seems like good quality, and the bag is sturdy and well made. It feels like it will last a long time. Very well made, realistic, perfect for my 7-year-old daughter. She was so happy with it and played all day. Such ease of use and a great variety of makeup tools, makeup. It's real makeup, so when she wants to do your makeup you can see it. Has the brushes included and is a great value for the price. Easy for her to use and has a good variety to keep her entertained. Cute unicorn bag to carry it all in. Number 4. Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit for Girls. Introducing the Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit, designed for endless hours of creative play. It's the perfect gift for birthdays and holidays, offering a realistic pretend experience without any real makeup. This comprehensive set includes pretend eyeshadow, lipstick, glitters, and more, all with real brushes for an authentic feel. Everything is neatly organized in a stylish carrying case. Encourage imaginative role-playing with friends. This kit helps develop social skills and hands-on abilities as they explore their creativity. Crafted from eco-friendly, safe, and non-toxic materials, this pretend makeup set provides all the fun without any mess or actual coloring. It's beautifully shaped with rounded edges for safety. The included makeup bag is perfectly sized for little hands to manage and organize all their pretend cosmetics. Its compact design makes it easy for your little princess to take her glamour kit anywhere. With its fashionable design, this makeup set is ideal for pretend play, princess parties, and dress-up occasions. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to makeup in a fun and safe manner. What we like? This kit offers a realistic makeup experience with real brushes but no actual color, ensuring no mess. It comes with a convenient cosmetic bag for organization and portability. If you want to give your child the fun of makeup play without any of the mess or actual product, this is the perfect pretend set. What people say. The makeup toy set includes a variety of pretend makeup items like lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, and brushes, offering a realistic play experience. The compact design makes it easy to store and carry, perfect for on-the-go play or travel. Made with non-toxic, child-safe materials, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Number 3. Ideahome Kids Washable Makeup. Introducing a real makeup set designed just for kids. It's the perfect size for your little one to explore their creativity. Our makeup is gentle on the skin and completely washable with soap and water. You can have peace of mind while they play. This set includes 25 fun pieces, from lipsticks to eyeshadow and brushes. It has everything they need for imaginative play. It comes with a cute little case to keep everything organized. It's easy to carry, so they can take their makeup fun anywhere. Every little girl dreams of her own makeup kit. This set helps fulfill that dream, allowing them to play dress up like a princess. Looking for a gift? This is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for girls aged 3 to 12. What we like. This is a real makeup set with 25 pieces, including various lipsticks, eyeshadows, and brushes, all in a cute, small case. It's designed to be washable and gentle on skin. If you're looking for a starter real makeup kit for a young child that's easy to manage and wash off, this is a great option for introducing them to makeup. What people say. The makeup kit is designed for children, featuring non-toxic, washable materials that are safe for sensitive skin. It includes a variety of realistic-looking makeup items such as eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, and blush, providing a comprehensive play experience. The set comes with a cute, durable makeup bag, making it easy for kids to store and carry their pretend cosmetics. Number 2. Teensymic Kids Washable Makeup Kit. Discover a treasure trove of fun with this extensive 54-piece makeup and accessory set. It includes everything a little one needs for hours of imaginative play, from eyeshadows and lipsticks to nail art and brushes. Designed with safety in mind, this makeup kit is made from child-friendly, water-soluble materials. It's gentle on the skin and easily washes off with soap and water, ensuring worry-free playtime. Keep everything neat and tidy with the included makeup case. Its compact design and convenient handle make it perfect for on-the-go adventures, whether it's a car ride or a holiday trip. This makeup set is more than just fun, it helps develop essential skills. Encourage creativity, hand-eye coordination, and social interaction as they explore the world of makeup. Looking for a special gift? This washable makeup kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering a wonderful way to create happy memories and foster a positive sense of self-expression. We are committed to providing a delightful experience. This makeup kit is designed to bring joy and accompany your child through a happy childhood. Please reach out if any issues arise. What we like. This extensive 54-piece set includes makeup, nail accessories, and tools, all housed in a compact and portable case. It's made with safe, water-soluble materials that wash off easily. If you want a comprehensive real makeup set with a wide variety of items for a girl aged 4 to 12 who enjoys exploring different looks, this offers great value and endless play possibilities. What people say. The makeup set is designed for children, featuring pretend play makeup that doesn't transfer color. It includes a variety of accessories like a makeup brush, eyeshadow, lipstick, and a compact. The kit comes with a cute cosmetic bag for easy storage and portability. Number 1. Hollyhi 59-piece Kids Makeup Kit. Discover a world of beauty with this comprehensive makeup kit designed just for kids. It includes everything needed for fun dress-up and creative play, sparking imagination and confidence. This set comes with a special tutorial booklet to guide young artists. They can explore endless makeup possibilities, develop their aesthetic sense, and learn to organize their own beauty collection. Designed for convenience, this makeup kit is easy to store and carry. It contains 59 pieces of pretend cosmetics and accessories, ready for any adventure or princess playtime. Crafted from high-quality, safe materials, this toy makeup is gentle on skin and easy to clean. It washes off effortlessly with soap and water, ensuring worry-free fun. More than just play, this kit helps improve fine motor skills and encourages creativity. It's a wonderful way for children to explore their imagination and enjoy interactive family time. Looking for a magical gift? This makeup set is a delightful surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch their excitement grow as they receive this beautiful pretend vanity set. What we like. With 59 pieces and a unique makeup tutorial booklet, this set encourages creativity and learning. It's made from high-quality, safe materials that are easy to wash off. If your child is interested in learning how to apply makeup and wants to explore different styles with guidance, this kit with its tutorial booklet is ideal for fostering their imagination and skills. What people say. The kit comes with a great variety of colors and accessories, which makes it really fun for kids who enjoy playing with makeup. This makeup case is really cute. It's the perfect size for a toddler or preschooler and had plenty room inside to store all of the makeup plus some. The makeup is real and it is pretty good quality. My little girl can't just put anything on her face because she has sensitive skin. This makeup didn't irritate or bother her skin at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.